Hello and welcome to the Voices of the GESDA Summit, and one of the voices is Belinda Cleeland. Hello. You are Head of Research and Innovation at the International Organization for Standardization in Switzerland. That's a mouthful. You participated in a panel discussion today about one of GESDA's pipeline solution ideas for achieving net zero CO2 for 2050. It's the Decarbonization Accelerator. Can you tell us a little bit more about what that is?
Yeah, sure. So the Decarbonization Accelerator is designed to take technologies that could help us move towards decarbonisation and get them out of the weeds and scale them up, because a lot of these technologies are already out there. We have a lot of the solutions to climate change, to decarbonisation. They already exist, but the problem is that they are not able to scale up to make the impact to find a market to be used by industry. So the aim of this project is to find promising technologies, to identify the challenges that they face in innovating and scaling up, and then to help them overcome those challenges.
So it's basically to get all of this out of the lab and into the field.
That's exactly what it is, yes.
Okay. So why is your organization involved in all of this and involved with GESDA?
So at the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, we're extremely concerned with how standards can be tools for governments and for organisations to help them turn their climate commitments into action. So I mentioned that the goal of the Decarbonisation Accelerator is to take these technologies out of the weeds, to identify the challenges that they face and help them overcome the challenges. We see standards as potential tools to help them overcome some of those challenges. So, for example, one of the challenges could be trust, trust in new technologies, whether it's safe, and having international standards developed by experts all around the world who come together and put their best practice into this document that is then used to deploy this technology can help build that trust, that can help potentially get that technology out of the weeds and into widespread use.
So it's a way of overseeing this technology and to make sure that it's safe and secure and it's standardized?
It's not so much about standardizing the technology itself. Standards are just a way to promote innovation. They are a vehicle for knowledge, and sharing knowledge amongst researchers can help them in their laboratories to move forward and progress with their innovative technology. And the standards can also build trust with regulators and the general public, because they know that someone is there looking after the quality and the safety.
Mm-hmm. So it's sort of a regulatory tool in a way.
It is a sort of regulatory tool, but a voluntary one.
Okay. How important is GESDA's work, in your view, in the field of decarbonization?
I think GESDA's work could be very impactful, because what is most important in decarbonisation is that people understand the urgency of this. What we need is a platform with high-profile voices capable of bringing together the different communities that have an interest in this. So the scientists developing the decarbonisation technologies and the policymakers who can promote the use of these technologies via regulation, and then the business that can help scale this up as well. And GESDA is a platform that is able to bring these people together and to have this dialogue that can really move decarbonisation forward.
Thank you very much. We'll end on this very optimistic note. Thank you very much, Belinda, for being with us.